Do you want to create a Maid style image of yourself? You can do it easily with PhotoDirector. Open the app, click on Edit, choose your image you would like to work with, and after that, choose Portrait. Here you can find AI cartoon and you can choose from several options. We will choose Maid, but you can also become an elf, police officer, princess, prince, cowboy, schoolgirl, athlete, warrior. You just have to wait a few seconds while AI is doing magic. We will see. Here we go. Click on the check mark and do not forget to save your file. Bye bye.